welcome back to my channel. And my name is Sajin, and I am gonna use snap circuits. So I am gonna use. My project name is gonna be Noisier Water Space War. So let's get started. So let's get a U3. Let's get a U3 and put it right.
What is
this is the board you have to put this your circuits in. So let's put that on C1. So C1. Okay. We put that there. And now let's get a 3. Let's get a 3 right here, and then let's put it right here. Then let's get a 5. Let's get the 5. Put it right under the 3. Then let's get a 3 again. 3. Now, let's get a battery. And then let's put a 2 right here. And then let's get a 4, okay? Let's put it right under the 2. Then let's get a 3 and put it right here. Here, put it there. And then let's get a press. Let's get a press switch. Okay, we got a press switch. Let's put it right here. Wait, now I got this messed up. This goes here. This goes here, and this goes here. And then let's get a speaker. Let's put it right here, and then let's get your water, and let's get a jumper wire, 2 jumper wires, and attach one here. And then let's attach one here. So now we did it. It's working. So you can see it's working. The speaker. So I tell you what happened. So the Space Wars, since it sounds like Space War, right? So when these 2 wires combined, it was attached to the speaker. So the speaker was like making a Space War sound. So this is my project, and thank you for watching. Subscribe my video and also like this video.